Alright, matrix operations. If two matrices have the same dimensions, so the same size, a 3x4 and a 3x4, 5x6 and a 5x6, they can be added or subtracted. You can add or subtract matrices by adding or subtracting the corresponding elements of the matrices, so same position. You can also perform scalar multiplication by multiplying each element of the matrix by a constant, so basically distribute. Alright, so if A, so this is 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 by 3. B, 2 rows, 3 columns. So they have the same dimensions, so we can add them. So they say add. So what we're going to do is each position to the same position. Okay? So here we go. Alright, so here we go, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, and row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. So 2 plus 0. Okay, -1 plus 2. 8 plus -4. -3 plus 5. 4 plus -6. 0 plus 3. Okay? So 2 plus 0 is 2. -1 plus 2 is 1. 8 plus -4 is 4. -3 plus 5 is 2. 4 plus -6 is -2. And 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, so when we add or subtract, we should end with the same size of matrix. Alright, scalar multiplication. So like I said, it's like distribute. So if C is this 2 by 2, and we're doing -3C, so we're just going to take -3 times each of these. Now, they're typing here and didn't have that negative. So -3 times 2, -6, -3 times -10, 30, -3 times -3, 9, -3 times 1 is -3. They did each step, so that's why they want this. You don't have to write this down here, but that's what they wanted here. So they actually wrote out -3 times 2 and all that stuff. All right?